Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've noticed a lot of you have been asking how to get rid of Meta AI from Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to do just that. Feel free to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and drop a comment below. I've checked out several methods on YouTube for removing Meta AI from social media, and most involve uninstalling the current version and installing an older one. Let me show you how it's done. Step 1. Uninstall Facebook as an example. First, long press the Facebook icon on your device and tap Uninstall. Step 2. Find and download the old version. Next, open your web browser. I prefer using Google Chrome. Go to a trusted third-party site like APK Pure or UpToDown. Search for Facebook and choose a version dated before June. Step 3. Install the old version. Select the desired old version, for example on APK Pure. Click Download on the left and install the APK on your phone. Now, open Facebook again, and you'll see Meta AI is no longer there. If you have any questions or need more help, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.